Luckies. Yo! Yeah, what is that car doing? Gonna fall into a ditch. Woo! The grapevine. That dude almost hit my truck and that four-wheeler. Look at this dude, man. Get over it. Get over it. Fucking CR England. I got my Vans on and my Nikes. Yes.
Yes, you're just a happy dog, aren't you?
It is. Bye, mother. Man, I'm running late, crew members. It's about 4 o'clock. I'm leaving off the home time right now. I said I was gonna leave out around 12 o'clock. It's 4:30. Look at Coco, y'all. You ready to go? You ready to go? We on our way to Arizona. Crew members, I be having about 3 spare keys, bruh, and I lose them so fast. So check out these waves, man. Shout out to that boy D, man. Ooh, he be getting me right. Every time I come home, man, get me right. Time to do pre-trip. You feel me? We got our GPS. Now we finna hit the road. You understand me? The last few times, crew members, man, they've been having me in Arizona, man. The last time they had me in Arizona, man, they had me stuck out there for 2 whole days. I told them this time to make sure they had me in and out of Arizona.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know I get nasty. Don't Uber right at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this stuff.
Luckies.
Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. Let's get it all, yeah, I need all, let's party, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you were.
That dude almost hit my truck and that four-wheeler. I hope he ain't gonna go pick up his kid with that. Here goes traffic.
What's up, baby bro and the crew?
You feel me?
You feel me?
What's up, baby bro and the crew? We're back with another banger. We're finna get lit.
Crew members, what it is? Y'all back with your boy, baby bruh, and we back with another lit another lit banger on the channel, guys. As y'all can see, man, I'm in traffic. You understand me, man? We back on the road though, man. It feels good to be back on the road. I actually took 3 days off, crew members. yesterday, man, was a party, man. We was turning up, you feel me? We had some food on the grill, man. You understand me, man? We was chilling, man. Shout out to Iz and Trav, you understand, man, for coming through yesterday. You understand, man? We had a movie in that thing. We was turned up, crew members, no cap. I always like to do a little gathering, you feel me, before I go back out, man, because I know I can't drink, I can't do none of that stuff, you feel me, when I'm on the road.
Cap.
So I always try to do it, you feel me, when I'm home. We actually on our way to Woodland. You understand me, man? You know, feeling good, looking good. You feel me? So we on our way to Woodland, guys, to go pick up a load, I believe from FedEx, and we heading to Arizona. Yeah, man, we out here. The freeway just opened up. A lot of people going to Pittsburgh, Antioch anyway, so they taking the 4 right here. We got Coco in the building. Section, man. My boy Jay. We ain't making no noise. We ain't making no noise. Vallejo, California. RP to Mac Drake. How you doing today, sir? All right.
Girl.
Yeah, we came here before. I think she anticipating it. You want some, mamas? You want them, mamas? Thank you, appreciate it.
No problem. You looking for a special trailer?
I got a loaded trailer.
Okay, I need your trailer number. Your trailer's in Echo 101.
Okay.
We'll have the bill ready for you on your way out.
All right, thank you. That's crazy how she liked those dog treats. Usually back then, she didn't used to like them. Now she be knocking down everything. C, D, E, F. Here you go, E. Your boy Baby Bro. Hey, this our trailer. 101, guys. Let's hurry up and hit the road. Whoa, shit. Let's check our trailer. This is my tractor, shit. I'm talking about, let's check the trailer. The hell is doing on that side? Ooh, got some new tires on here. New tires, man, okay. Got the nice air system right there, guys. You feel me? Got a nice tread on these tires. Oh yeah, these look new. Okay, Western Express. Okay. I got my Vans on and my Nikes. Only in the Bay. I got my Vans on. I got, Vans and Nike socks. Swag is mismatching, man. So the pin right here, So we pushed it all the way up. It's always good to push your back tandems all the way up because the majority of the weight always be on your drive tandem. So you want to be able to push the weight back on your tandems because the majority of the weight be up here. So, but this don't even feel like a heavy load. So Target for the most times don't really have heavy loads. So I heard that click, and then you want to go up to make sure pull on it. Make sure you got your tractor brakes out. So now we got our pins locked in. Now it's time to go get the bills, and we out. Arizona, here we come.
Top copy, the other two are for you.
Okay. I like my pen. All right, thanks, man. Have a good one. We just pulled up to the truck stop. Man, my damn head is killing me. Good to go. Let's see if this one works, because the other one didn't want to fucking pump. Man, what is going on with these damn nozzles? Let's see if it want to work now. Bro, what is going on? Summertime coming, which is mean it's going to be more bugs. We already at close to 500 in fuel. Gonna get us some depth. Come on. Come here.
Are you being boss today?
Are you being boss today? Huh?
He says, what's up there? I'm looking up there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, you're just a happy dog, aren't you?
I love animals.
Come on. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, shit. Come on. Over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Crew members, let's feed Coco. So I gave her a little bit, probably a little bit too much, but yeah. She was finna beat me up. Look at her, knocking it down. Acting like she ain't ate in 1,200 years. All right, now it's time. Now we finna head. I'm finna drive for about like 3 more hours. Then I'm gonna shut down for the night, man. You know, just because I had a late start, I don't like really driving at night, so I'm gonna end up shutting down probably somewhere close to like Bakersfield. And tomorrow, my clock should get me to Phoenix, Arizona, so I'm not really tripping. Good afternoon to me and Coco. Man, look, man, me and Coco, man, we was riding last night, crew members. I drove to like 3 o'clock in the morning, man, and I shut down close to like Bakersfield, guys. Just because the reason why I was driving hecka late last night is because I wasn't really feeling too good. I don't know what it is, man. I don't know if it's my sinus or something, but it just feeling like all in here. It's just, you know, been messing with me, but I feel a little better today, you feel me? I've been off these hauls right here. So I've been off some hauls, man, to be able to help with that. So my time should be coming back at 1 o'clock right now. It is 12 o'clock, and as y'all can see, my truck is a mess. It's a mess, man. And if anybody know me, man, know I love to stay organized and clean and detailed, so we finna clean up real quick. And go brush our teeth, man. And get ready for the day. Yes, sir. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, man, everything is all straightened up and neat. I got a lot of stuff on my truck, man, so a lot of shit I can't put up, but you feel me? I just fold my covers up and put them over there to the side. This is a black sheet, you feel me? Because Coco be getting her fur every goddamn where, but you feel me? This is how your boy Baby Brad likes to start his day. Brush my teeth, wash my face, and all that. And as y'all can see, our hours just came back, so we finna hit the road. You ready, baby? Well, since all my food was frozen, crew members, I got me and Coco some of these for the road. Shit. Woo! These are so good from Love's. Motherfuckers, let me go, man. I've been trying to get back. They ain't messing with me. All right, so this is what we're about to do, crew members. Got our coffee. Dump that trash can, man. I always forget to dump the trash can. You go to Love's truck stop and get you some of the best mayonnaise. Get you some of this Duke's mayonnaise made for free. We're gonna take some chicken from our salad today because we're eating healthy on the road, man. Yes, sir, we're eating healthy on the road. Damn, look at my zucchini, man. It's frozen to the... All right, I got too much stuff in this truck, y'all. I can't find nothing. Where is the avocado? Okay, we got the bread. We making avocado bread, not toast. Because I don't got a toaster, obviously. All right, we got the avocado. It was hiding right here in plain sight. I'm just gonna get this. I'm gonna get a little bit of this monster cheese I got. Avocado. Oh, we got some avocado bread. Piece of bread. And I got me some Chipotle mayo as well. Something, I don't know. Boar's head. Ooh. It tastes smoky. It's spicy, but it's smoky too. Smokiness go crazy, I ain't gonna lie. We got us some chicken from our salad. And voila, guys, we have our avocado bread. Fully loaded, you understand me? Let's try it. No cap, if it was toasted, man, this would be a hit. Woo! The grapevine. I just got pulled into the weigh station, man. They pulled your boy Baby Brett into the weigh station, guys. So hopefully we don't get caught in. Hey, I learned my lesson about passing up weigh stations, man, when I almost got a ticket. So every time now, man, make sure if you're a truck driver, you pull into the weigh stations, man, because you don't want to risk getting that high ticket and can risk your employment. And it looked like we're all good. All right, let's try to make it up this hill now, crew members. Yo! What we at, 47? Yo! I'm only 14,000 pounds in my trailer, so god damn, what is that car doing? I'm gonna fall into a ditch. Yo! Man, I remember my first time going out, I actually had to go up the grapevine with my trainer, and he was telling me, keep your foot on the paddle, do not give up. I was so scared, y'all did not know what to do. He was like, if you gotta pass somebody up like this and they're going too slow, just get off a little bit, but keep your foot on the paddle, or you're gonna fucking only go 20 miles per hour up this steep hill. That was actually a year ago. I'm passing everybody up because I'm so light. When I'm hauling Target supplies, I'm always got a light load. Woo. Look at this dude, man. Get over it. It ain't even nobody. Hey, man. Get over it. Fucking CR England. Bro, what is you doing? Now you done slowed me down. Coco the truck driver moving along. Smokes, man, appreciate it. Ooh. They cool, man, but I prefer Loves over Pilot any day. But as y'all know, I'm with a new company, like always, and we only go to Pilot and Flying J truck stop. So This is my shower, man. Your boy Baby Brad got to Arizona today, guys, this morning. My GoPro went dead and is full of battery, so I gotta actually take the videos that I recorded, transfer them onto my phone, edit them, upload them, so I can be able to have space on my GoPro. But